Hi, I'm Dusty with Magnum Bikes, and the time has come to unveil the Premium 3. The Premium 3 is our newest folding bike with lots of upgrades over the old Premiums. They come in a low step, our lowest step to date, and a high step in white and black. The Premium 3 comes with a Bafang motor, 500 watts. The battery is bigger than our old folding bikes. You have a 48-volt battery with 15.6 amp hours, which will give you great range. 3-inch wide tires offer a nice cush ride and offer a little more stability on this folding bike. The fork has a lockout that also has a preload on the left. You can make the fork stiffer, or you can just entirely lock it out. Integrated front and rear lights. There's also a pretty beefy integrated rear carrier rack to put panniers on, have a rack top bag, or whatever else you want to carry. And a Magnum electric system with a nice big Magnum LCD display, leather ergonomic grips on the right and left. This bike has hydraulic disc brakes, a 7-speed Shimano grip shift system, a thumb throttle, and comes with a horn. There's a water bottle mount here on the low step and on the top tube on the high step. This telescoping stem is really nice for those riders that want a nice upright seating position, or for those shorter riders or riders that want to be low and aggressive. I'm low and aggressive, personally. The new Premiums also have an updated folding stem and folding clamp assembly down on the frame. I want to show you how the Premium 3 folds up, because one of the big upgrades over the old Premium is this folding assembly here. Now the bike folds at the stem. You can slide that down. You're gonna fold the handlebar down. Then you can see it folds in the middle of the frame here. There's a safety that holds it there. Then you're gonna open that cam, and then the bike folds up to the middle. Meaning that you could put this in the trunk of a car. My father-in-law puts it in the back of his RV. Pretty handy handle here. It doesn't make the bike any lighter, but you can make it lighter by removing the battery. So you can do the battery separate, and then fold the bike up and put it in your trunk. Then to fold it back up when we're ready to ride, just gonna grab and push in the middle of the frame there. Secure that. And I'm off to the races. The pedals also fold, allowing the bike to get just a little bit smaller in width. The Premium 3 is our most compact, affordable, zippy bike yet. It's available now in white and black, high step or low step. If you have any other questions, contact our customer support team or visit our website. And of course, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.